Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating both devices so drivers and network features match. On your Mac, check System Preferences for Software Update. On the PS3, go to Settings System Update. Once done, pick your connection method, HDMI for display capture via a capture device or Ethernet/remote play for streaming. Make sure the Mac and PS3 share the same network if streaming. Prepare cables and, if using capture, install capture software and drivers on the Mac before proceeding to the physical hookup. Now physically connect and configure. If using a capture device, plug the PS3 HDMI output into the capture unit and then USB into the Mac. Launch the capture app and choose the capture device as input. If streaming via remote play or PS3 media server, ensure both devices are on the same network. Then run the server app on the Mac and enable media server on the PS3. Adjust resolution, frame rate, and audio input. Make sure latency settings are optimized for smooth playback. Finish by testing. Play content and verify both video and audio appear on your Mac. If using capture, tweak capture app scaling and color settings. If streaming, check bitrate and buffer size. Make sure controller pairing works if needed. If nothing appears, power cycle the PS3 and capture device, try another HDMI cable, or test a different USB port. One key troubleshooting tip: switch to a wired Ethernet connection and restart both devices to resolve most handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.